Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and then find the display and brightness option. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down until we will find the option auto screen off. Let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest one, as you can see, even 30 minutes. So in order to set the option, simply tap on it. I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on this device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.